Partizan Belgrade is the big club, and you as a Serbian know very well what it means there. Can you tell us what the biggest club in Serbia?
Yes, it's one of two biggest clubs in Serbia, and what I can say, they are a very good team, but we watch already some analyze. I know maybe a little bit better than the rest of the team because I usually watch every game when they play now, even at home, and Serbia in championship. So I think we will prepare very good for this game, and we try to make good result there.
In last game, Partizan won 5-0. The team you played, India, this result also shows very much.
Yes, but I think this India this year is not so good team. But anyway, Partizan they have a lot of quality, a lot of individually very good players, and like I say, we need to prepare very good, and this 90 minutes to give our 150%, because only like that we can have some chance.
Can you give us a little bit insight? Main differences between Crvena Zvezda and Partizan? Why Crvena Zvezda is a bigger club and champions and not Partizan?
From my childhood, I am supporter of Crvena Zvezda, so I will always say that this is the biggest club in the world for me. But no, I think they are pretty similar. Both teams have very good fans. Crvena Zvezda have a little better, but anyway, they have good fans. They have good structure. Crvena Zvezda won Champions League. So this is one of the biggest achievements in all Balkan sports. So I think, but anyway, I think Crvena Zvezda is, for me and for a lot of people in Serbia, it's a bigger club than Partizan.
Darko, we journalists have concerns that RFS in Latvian Championship plays attacking football, score many goals, but also concede some goals. And there you will play defensively. Probably, so it will be probably a problem.
It will be all about tactics. We will see what will coach make this game. But okay, this is a quality of players that you can adapt to any style of football. If we need to defense, we will defense. If we need to attack, we will attack. So I think in Latvia Championship, when we play against teams who are, in my opinion, that we are better, so we concentrate more on attack. But like I say, you need to adapt to the opponent, so I think it will not be a problem.
Can you remember from this season games where RFS played more defensively?
Actually, no. Okay, maybe this game against Ventspils when you concede 2 red cards, but another game I cannot, because usually we try to dominate with the ball, to attack all the time, and of course it will be a little bit different from our original structure, but I think we can adapt.
Also, you are the best goal scorer last 2 years, but you have now good competition in your club with Chinonso 4. Can you describe this new?
No, I think this is good for me, for the team, because it's not possible that one player all the time can play, that you can expect goals from one. So now we can. Ofi, he's a very good striker, he's a very good person, and I think we have one more options in attack. Coach have a solution to choose. So I think this is, first of all, this is good for the club and for the rest of, especially also for me, because concurrence makes you to train better, to play better, and I think this is a good thing.
You both are very strong in the air, but can we say that the differences between you and Chinonso is that you are maybe a little bit more penalty area player, and Chinonso can play better outside the penalty area?
Yes, something like this. I think he have he's a little bit faster than me, so I think he use what he have, I use what I have, and this is like in football. You try to use your good things and try to don't use your bad thing.
Can you tell the football supporters how will you go to Serbia, to Belgrade?
Yes, today we have trainings, rest in hotel, and tomorrow morning we have a flight to Belgrade. We will sleep there and make training at the night. We have on the, I think, game time or something like that at the Partizan Stadium. Game, and after game we sleep that night and come home, because now it's a little bit more restriction because of COVID. So, but I hope it will be, everything is going well.
So because of COVID you will not meet some relatives or friends in Belgrade?
Yes, it's a little bit strange for me to go home and cannot visit your family and friends, but okay, we are professionals, and it's more important that we make good result this game, and after we have time for friends and for family.
And last question, how many time you spent with the coach for video analysis before this match against Partizan?
We start yesterday. We have a little bit longer meeting yesterday, but today we'll have also, and I mean every game till this game, we will need to prepare very good for this game, because like I said, they are a very good team individually and like a team, so we need to know every aspect what we have and to use every advance what we have.